Quantity, which I'm not reaching out to anybody. I'm not using no Spanish videos or I do bachata videos, but I'm not doing. I'm not doing. Dime. Sí. I'm going to talk about quality versus quantity. And here I have both my phones. One of these bad boys is Dominican John with 60,000 followers, and Quantity has 10,000 followers. This page took about 10 months to build, and this 10,000 followers took about 4 weeks. Dominican John ENT has 525,700 likes, compared to Quality has 679,300 likes. This page is 100,000 likes away from passing me, and I have 6 times as much followers. Quality has multiple trending videos, sounds. I use the right hashtags. I'm unprofessional. Both my accounts are unprofessional. I do original content. And if it's not original content, I'll use a viral sound and do an original video. Over here, I use viral content that's on TikTok already on my For You page on my original account. Send it to Dominican John Entertainment. I use reactions, I do funny comments. Whatever comes to mind, I just throw it out of proportion. I don't even think about what I'm about to say, and I just do it. I usually go viral because it's a painting that no one's seen before, it's a funny video that no one's seen before, it's something crazy or unusual that I'm reposting on my page for a amount of people that haven't seen it or are related to that content that can't see it on their page. So usually this blows up, and this page has done massively amount of great consumers. I don't have the followers for the likes that I have. I have the best fan base you could ever have on this page. And on this page, I barely get a comment unless it goes viral. If I'm on this page and people are commenting on this page has people fighting for first comment every single day. It doesn't matter what I post. I could be sitting on the toilet and people will be fighting first. They won't even watch the video. That's how quick my fans are right here. If you have a professional page, we'll show you guys your video views. We'll show you guys your followers. We'll show you guys your profile view. Here is quality content. In the last 7 days, got 1,200,480 views. Our Quantity page has 1.700 million views this week. 500,000 views more than my Quality content. You get more valuable fans here. You don't care about the fans, you just want to blow up. I advise you to start making Quantity content. And switch to Quality eventually if you want to finally put some good content out, or make a different account for Quality content once you make it on this page so you can use this page to promote your other page. After 50,000 followers, you can see yourself having about 1,000 followers a day, 600 to maybe 1,500 people continuously just following if you're still creating content. So you have to stay relevant. You can't just have 50,000 followers and expect to blow up and make all this beautiful content once a day or once a month and still get millions of followers. It doesn't work like that. Keep being relevant, keep reaching out to the For You page, keep growing as much as you can. I'm making about 1,000 followers a day, the same amount of followers here. I'm not engaging with my fans or doing anything to even get people to follow me or like me, and I'm right here, I'm commenting, liking, following back on everybody that comments on my videos. Once I started blowing up, the female rates started going up. 55% female, 45% male. I know for this page, they definitely appreciate you more when you reply. They definitely appreciate you more if you spam for spam like. On this page, 58% female, 41.9% males. Females, and I've seen the comments before, oh my god, if he never posted it, I would have never seen these videos. So I'm actually grateful that he posted it. Where you're reaching or who you're reaching, what nationality, what culture, what language. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now that this bad boy was at United States at 99%, because it doesn't give you 100% for some reason. 99% my whole 9 to 10 months I've been on TikTok. It has never changed, which is not bad. You can have American citizens, you know, people that relate to you, videos that relate to you. I've been posting a lot of old skits that are in Spanish. So I have the Dominican Republic 3% at this very moment. And I think the only reason why it says Dominican Republic is because my name is Dominican John. So it basically has a name in it. But when I look at my Quantity page, and I'm not trying to reach anybody in particular, but I'm seeing people talk in French. I'm seeing people talk in German. I'm seeing people talk in Austrian. Unless that's the same language, who knows? I don't know, because actually I've been there before, but most people have never been there before. And I have German, French, Austrian followers. Canadian is at 1%, Austria is at 2%, Germany is at 12%, and then you go back to the United States at 80, which is fine. You're always gonna have the United States because we're in the United States. TikTok's gonna grow your content here. We're posting, rappers, trending songs from the US. If you start using Canadian songs and stuff like that, it might blow up into different categories, which is dope. Time your followers are on TikTok. Now, before I start this conversation, you're aiming for the For You page. You're aiming for generic followers, for generic views, guys. Do not worry about your followers as much. There is a following timeline. Following timeline does the same thing as For You page, where if they follow you, your older videos that were blowing up will possibly be on their following page. And if the video is hot, it'll still pop up on their For You page. My follower activity on my quantity page is 8 p.m., meaning the top amount of followers are on at 8 p.m. Does not mean to post at 8 p.m. It does not matter to me what time you post. They're not all gonna blow up, but the content will blow up at a certain amount of time. On this side, guys, my follower activity starts at 10 p.m., highest rate. So for the quality videos, since I only post 2 or 3 times and this has no limit, with my quality page, I do post and think about this, guys. When kids used to go to school, they get out at 2, 3, 4, right? When kids go into school, they get into school at 6, 7, 8. When people get out of work, they get out at 9, or they get out at 5. When people go into work, before 12, before 9. If you think about those hours, people's daily routine, you'll understand TikTok 100% more. My quality content goes up whenever I wake up. So my followers are on my sleeping schedule, basically. So when I wake up at 10 in the morning, I'll post. When I wake up at 6 in the morning for work, I'll post. When I wake up at 12 or 2 in the afternoon, I will post my first video. My last post of the day is posted at 8 or 9 o'clock. But at the end of the day, guys, just post, have fun, enjoy life. Like, you don't have to do anything else. This is Dominican John. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys haven't seen my first TikTok 101 video, I explained to you guys everything you need to do to go viral. This is just my experiment on quality versus quantity. Thank you guys for 70,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube page, and keep listening to me because I'm going to post more experimental TikTok reviews. I'm going to keep posting how to make viral TikToks. I'm going to start posting Video Leap editing apps or apps that you can use for free. I'm going to start doing tutorials for you guys. You guys comment below, let me know what you guys want, and I'm going to start doing it just for you.
Waiting on redemption, that's my secret weapon. Had to get stepping, can't be always stressing. Hurt me what you think, I'm gone once you blink. I know you still want me, that's the funny thing.